tell you what, I just wanted to kind of touch base today and kind of, it's spring, the beginning of spring. I'm sure a lot of you are searching the YouTube, Google, and looking for some way to make extra money. It's spring and you're like, man, I got to make extra money for the beautiful weather. I'm going to want to travel. I'm going to want to do all these things with my family. I need to bring in more money. Your dollar's deflating every day, and definitely got to get some Bitcoin. That way you can hedge against the dollar, and at least your Bitcoin will be going up, especially at the price you're getting it now. And what's great about Xifra/Decentra is I've never seen an opportunity like this. One, the products that we're selling is all you're doing is trading your fiat dollar that's sitting in the bank, and that fiat dollar in the bank, the only one it's working for is the bank. It's not working for you. Okay, you're probably getting a 0.5% return a year. Okay, so it's not working for you, it's working for the banker. Okay, with putting your money and getting a license with Xifra, a $300 license, a $500, $1,000, a $50,000, whatever you get, your money is working for you. Okay, and with Xifra, remember, you're getting 2.5% a week, a 0.5% a day, up to 10% a month. Okay, now your money is really working for you. So take a few dollars, take $500 that's sitting in your checking account, making nothing for you, and put it in Xifra and buy a $500 license or get a $300 license. Do something, okay? But this is the opportunity you're looking for, okay? And our team's doing well. We're working with our team. This is all I'm doing full time. I have other members on my team that are doing this full time. So if you have a full-time job, you don't have a lot of time, I assure you, even if you do nothing, your money's going to be working for you through the passive system, where your license, once it doubles, if you get a $500 license and it doubles, that means you just turned that $500 into $1,000. And let's say that takes, if you do nothing here, and that takes 10 months to 14 months on the passive way and not sharing this with anybody, that's still much more than it's sitting in your bank. Because I assure you, turning $500 into $1,000, you're looking at years and years and years for that to happen in the bank. Where with Xifra, you're looking at 10 months to 14 months. But I assure you, once you start seeing a 0.5% a day, 2.5% a week, 10% a month, you're going to share this with somebody. And when you share this with somebody, you're also going to get paid the direct signing bonus, which is 8% of whatever license they come. And now, instead of taking 10 months or 14 months, you're going to start cycling your license in 6 months or 5 months or 4 months or a week, So I assure you, take a look at this. Go to my description in the YouTube, and you see my link to go sign up. If you have any questions, my telephone number's right there in the description. I look forward to talking to you, answer any questions you have.